Hyaluronic acid is the key to youthful-looking skin, hair, and nails. It's a natural substance found in the human body that can't be synthesized by the skin, but can be replenished through supplements. This easy-to-use, fast-absorbing gel can help increase suppleness and elasticity of the skin by filling in wrinkles and improve skin hydration by drawing moisture into the outer layer of your skin. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance found throughout connective, epithelial, and neural tissues. It has the ability to retain water and provides a plumping effect on the skin. Dermatologists have been using it for years to help with dry skin, wrinkles, scars, and more. Now in a new and improved formula. Hyaluronic acid is an anionic, non-sulfated glycosaminoglycan distributed widely throughout connective, epithelial, and neural tissues. It is unique among glycosaminoglycans, GAGs, because of its ability to bind large quantities of water. Hyaluronic acid consists of alternating units of N-acetylglucosamine and glucuronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is part of the natural composition of the human body. A lack of hyaluronic acid can be the cause for many skin problems and signs of aging, like wrinkles, age spots, and dry skin. Hyaluronic acid fills the spaces between collagen structures in the dermis to allow tissues to swell. We all know that a woman's skin is her life and we need to take care of it. With hyaluronic gel, you get the best treatment for beautiful, youthful, glowing skin anytime, anywhere.